Make sure you go and check out Dan Love's channel. It's got the split bus project over there. Also got the Herbie race Beetle in the garage. And I was lucky enough to win the fridge magnets in one of his recent giveaways, so they'll go in a box as well. Cheers, Dan. Okay, so just starting the day off with a little bit of prep work. Just under the bus here. I've started putting the cheaper rust converter that I've got. I don't necessarily need to use the Pour 15 as yet. Just want to get above where the top hat will be going. I've obviously missed out the patches where I want my welds to adhere. I'll do that. I've given this edge a coat of rust remover to start off with, and a little bit of a clean up. And what I managed to do was get a trigger spray on the actual small bottle itself, so I've been getting better coverage with that. This stuff's good. This is that Pour 15 patch repair. So this section here is the underside of that seat plate that I had to repair. But it's like, it is a seam sealer basically, but it dries real tough, and obviously I'll be Pour 15 the rest of the underside with the paint anyway. So, and so while all that gets dried off and does its thing, I shall cut a few sections out of that chassis rail. Started doing a couple there now, so it's going to be back onto this chassis rail again. I've got the remains of the repair panel, the 2mm steel, and I've got five holes to make some patches for there. Hopefully I'll be able to get it as flat as that section. Admit, I didn't expect to get all that done today. I've managed to plug weld the top hat in, or one half of the top hat is plug welded in. The other half I'm not going to do just yet. I've still got to treat some of the areas on the other side there. I've also plug welded the inner sill in as well. I drilled holes on the other side of this and plug welded it to each outrigger, and as strong as an ox, that ain't gonna go nowhere. So that's pretty much it for now. I think it's taken quite a while, but it's all in. And what I'll do, I'll use that Pour 15 patch and seam seal along that edge all the way along. Got a little bit more tidying up to do on that edge, but it's all plug welded. Just give it a little coat of primer just to keep the bare metal from rusting up, but I might give it a little bit of filler in these little dimples, make it a little bit smoother. And I've also just made a little piece for the middle sill, just to go on the end of that track there. So I have to weld that in before I move any further with inserting this panel in.